Titania is a mining company mining one of the world's largest ilmenite ore deposits. We are situated in the south of Norway in Rogaland County. We are mining from an open pit, which is 3 kilometers long, 600 meters wide and 300 meters deep. We have been mining from the same deposit since 1960, but Titania is a much older company. My name is Marte Kristine Tøgersen. I'm the R&D manager at Titania, and I'm also the project coordinator for the Titania group in the DIGIT project. The company has since 1927 been owned by a chemical company called KRONOS Worldwide, based in the US. Titania produces the ilmenite concentrate, which is raw material for titanium dioxide pigment in Europe and Asia. Titanium dioxide pigment is mainly used in paints and plastic. The mining operations consist of drilling, blasting, loading and hauling of the ore up to the primary crusher. We also have to remove some side rock to get access to the ore. After the primary crusher, the ore goes further into the mineral processing plant. And as I mentioned, we produce an ilmenite concentrate, but we also have some byproducts, namely a magnetite concentrate and a nickel, copper and cobalt concentrate. Titania joined the DIGIT project after encouragement from SINTEF in 2018. The main focus of Titania in the DIGIT project has been stability of the open pit, assets monitoring and environmental monitoring. Titania has a stability challenge in the open pit, and that means that we have a lot of sensors and a lot of data collected from the open pit to make sure that everyone is safe who is in the open pit, and that we make sure that we have access to all the different levels that we need at all times. Our challenge regarding this is that we have a lot of data from different sources that we need to collect together to be able to interpret whether there's a failure going to happen or not. The DIGIT project will help us with optimization of all this big data by gathering them together and improving our decision support system. The aim of the assets monitoring was to create a better system for predictive maintenance of the mining machines in operation. Titania's challenge related to environmental monitoring concerns water and dust. We have a water discharge from our open pit down to the fjord, which sometimes contains solids and nickel. In the DIGIT project, we have a sensor that measures turbidity, and we will use it as a proxy to determine whether we'll have nickel in our discharge. Sometimes we have dust going from our tailing pond into a village nearby. We have dust sensors in this village, and we will also, with the help of SINTEF Helgeland, a partner in the DIGIT project, create a website where the villagers can see if it's going to be dust from the tailing pond or not. Another aspect of the DIGIT project in Titania is Smart Garment. Smart Garment is a useful tool to ensure the workers' safety and health. The most important actions taken by Titania in the DIGIT project has been providing relevant data to the partners and aiding them in their work in developing the Internet of Things platform. The most time-consuming and fruitful part of the DIGIT project for Titania has been the work with the life cycle analysis. There we have collaborated with SINTEF Helgeland and done a Scope 3 LCA. A Scope 3 LCA means that we have taken into account all our direct emissions, energy consumption, water consumption, etc., but also all the emissions from making our mining machines and all our consumables like chemicals and explosive, etc. Everything is in the Scope 3 of the LCA. The technological innovations that our use case brings is the big data optimization, the digital twin for the stability in the open pit, and the digital twin for the environmental monitoring. All of this will improve our decision support system. Since Titania is an end user in the DIGIT project, we have collaborated with almost all the partners, and we have gotten networks throughout Europe in the mining industry. With Itainova and Nemco Norlab, we have collaborated on environmental monitoring. With Subterra and Brunel, we have collaborated with stability in the open pit and the big data optimization. With SINTEF Helgeland, we have collaborated on the LCA and the communication with the community. With Schneider, we have collaborated about the data handling, and with ICCS and IOTA, we have collaborated on the smart garment. We have never been part of a project this scale before, and we have learned a lot by collaborating with so many different partners. There are huge benefits for Titania in doing this exercise, because it shows us where to put our efforts in our sustainability work. We are confident that the implementation of the DIGIT project will improve our mining operations in the future. In the DIGIT project, we hope to contribute to a more sustainable and safe mining industry through the cloud-based Internet of Things platform. For Titania, conducting the LCA has been one of the main benefits of the DIGIT project.